Saturday, February 17, 2024. 7 founders of the Order of Servites. Focus. If you pour yourself out for the hungry and satisfy the desire of the afflicted. I often find myself like the Israelites of old or the Pharisees in today's gospel. I tend to focus only on prayer and the Eucharist and neglect the other aspects of worship as presented in today's readings. In a recent podcast, Bishop Barron said, "What happens around the altar has implication for our commitment to love around the wider society, and then what we do in our work for justice now returns to the altar as a sacrifice to God, each being fed by the other." This fits in nicely with St. John Paul II's stress on the Church's change in teaching about the social responsibilities of Catholics, from just obeying laws to engaging in political and social action and charitable works. What an example Jesus is to us. He would pray all night to his Father and then mix with tax collectors, sinners, and the downtrodden soon after. And is this not what true Christians do? Mother Teresa's nuns, for example, began their day with Eucharist and Holy Hour and then go out into the streets taking care of the poor, the sick, the homeless, and the abandoned. Fruit. The current pastoral theme is, "You also should do as I have done." After my time of prayer and the Eucharist today, let me identify one person in need and reach out.